Okay, so I've measured out my straight and then my radius, which I'm gonna do a bunch of, I think you could call them a curve cut. Do a bunch of curves every ½ inch and then back into the straight. That's 7 inches of radius or curve or bend. Hopefully this will be able to take the curve. If not, we're gonna have to come up with another solution. So we're gonna go get these strips fit, and we're gonna leave 1.25 inches from the top of these strips to the top of the floor. As it stands right now, our floorboard is just over 1 inch thick, like 1 1/32. So that'll give us just shy of 1/4 inch to do any gel coat fairing, any glass work, and maybe even get a thin little rubber gasket in there just to stop any knocking, you know. But yeah, I think that'll be a good place to start. 1.25 inches. So let's get these strips dry fit. Alright, we dry fit. Next, I'm gonna get a router bit and just break this hard 90 now that we have our position. We don't need this hard 90 anymore. So I can break that off with a router bit. Alright. I know we only got them dry fit. The flange is only dry fit with a couple of screws, but it'll be enough to hold this floorboard in place for sure. So let's put this in, let's see how it looks.
Okay, keep it lower, Tani, because it's not in frame.
It's okay, I was in frame long enough.
Oh.
I'm not trying to die here.
I need fresh air. This smells horrible. I'm sorry.